In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Zoom. We'll do this from the Zoom web portal, and the whole process takes just a minute. Adjusting your time zone ensures every meeting you schedule or join shows at the right local time, which is especially helpful if you travel or collaborate across regions. Start by opening your browser and heading to zoom.us. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your account. At the top right of the page, click My Account. This takes you to your personal dashboard, where all of your settings and profile details live. On the left-hand side of your account dashboard, click Profile. The Profile page contains your basic information, including the time zone setting that controls how Zoom displays meeting times for you. On the Profile page, look for the Time Zone row and click Edit on the right. This opens the control you need to make the change. If you don't see the option to edit, it's possible your organization manages this setting for you. In that case, you may need to contact your administrator to unlock it. But for most personal accounts, you can edit it directly here. Next, open the time zone dropdown and choose the city or region that best matches your location. It's a good idea to pick a specific region-based option, like a major city in your time zone, rather than a generic GMT offset. Region-based choices automatically handle daylight saving time when it applies, so you don't have to remember to switch later. If you're traveling, select the time zone for your current location so that any meetings you schedule show up in local time. Once you've selected the correct time zone, click Save. Your setting updates immediately. From now on, when you schedule a meeting, the time you pick is interpreted in this time zone. Existing meetings you created will display according to your new setting on your end, and calendar invitations already include time zone information, so attendees in other regions will continue to see the correct local times. To confirm everything worked, glance back at the time zone line on your profile and make sure it shows the region you chose. You can also open the Schedule a Meeting page to see the time zone label above the date and time fields. If you use Google Calendar or Outlook with Zoom, make sure your calendar app is set to the same time zone to avoid mixed displays. And that's it. Click My Account, open Profile, edit the time zone, choose your region, and save. Keeping this accurate helps you stay on schedule, no matter where you are.